Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it is a pleasure to join you. In this video we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. The question asks, which one of the formulae below represents an alkane? So to answer this question you need to recall the general molecular formula for the alkanes, which is CnH2n plus 2. So where does this formula come from? Well, if you draw out any of the alkanes with any number of carbon atoms, you will see that each of the carbon atoms bonds to two hydrogen atoms, except for the carbon at each end of the chain. So that is where the 2n comes from, because for every carbon there are two hydrogens, and then at either end of the chain there are two extra hydrogens, so that's where this 2 comes from. So if we look at our options, we can see that for A and B there are exactly double the number of hydrogen atoms as carbon atoms, so those are not the correct choices. And then for D there is less than double hydrogen atoms than there are carbon atoms, because 8 times 2 is 16 and 14 is less than 16. So D is not the correct answer, and that means that C is our correct answer. And if you check that, you will see that 14 times 2 is equal to 28, and we add the extra 2 on for the hydrogens at the end of the chain, and that equals 30, and that is how many hydrogen atoms there are, so that's our answer. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answers to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.